Welcome back to Forbidden Knowledge News. Today is Tuesday, February 27th, 2018. A powerful magnitude 7.5 earthquake hit Papua New Guinea, leaving 31 dead and 300 injured. With 2 days of strong aftershocks, at least 400,000 people are suffering from damages and destruction in 4 different provinces. A swarm of 16 earthquakes rattles the San Francisco Bay Area after a series of 60 earthquakes hit the Danville area last week. The swarm continues to migrate towards the major Calaveras Fault. The Calaveras is highly active and capable of a magnitude 7+ earthquake. An unprecedented heat anomaly over the Arctic is leaving scientists baffled. Warm, moist air is penetrating much further north than it would normally at a time when the North Pole is in complete darkness. Temperatures are reaching as high as 35 degrees above normal in some areas. More climate chaos as a major Arctic storm, dubbed the Beast from the East, caused temperatures across much of Europe to fall to their lowest level this winter, and even brought a rare snowstorm to Rome. And at least 8 people have died in the ice-cold weather over the weekend in Poland. Almost 100,000 homeless, 8 dead, and thousands of homes destroyed from severe flooding in Bolivia due to what experts are calling a La Niña weather phenomenon. And another mass fish mortality in Santa Rosa, Argentina, as thousands of fish washed ashore overnight. The official explanation was from oxidation due to high water temperatures. And I'm going to leave you with a fireball seen over Chile and some new picture submissions from around the world. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Facebook page. I left the links in the video description box.